I'm Luke Bellamy from WWG at the University of Warwick. On the 10th of June at the Supply Chain Risk and Resilience Forum, I'm going to show you why your current business metrics are actively hiding your biggest operational risks. Supply chain businesses are fundamentally conflicted. Procurement is rewarded for chasing low-cost units, finance is rewarded for keeping cash tight, and logistics is rewarded for speed. These departments are quietly fighting each other, creating blind spots that leave your business completely exposed when disruptions hit. Because of this internal friction, most companies are operating with completely unknown resilience index. And if that number is a mystery, your financial forecasts and ROI projections are just guesswork. So which department is winning the tug of war in your business right now, and what is it costing your bottom line? Join my session to look into the mirror and find out what your data is actually hiding from you. I'll see you there.